get a scissors first. I spelled this 2 times and I still suck at it. Gotta get it. Oh! Now I remember. Testing. You like it? There's a door. And there's even a bathroom. But we don't use this much. And then we secure it. Mush it. She already went inside. Do you like it? Do you like your new elephant? 어머! 세상에! You play with this on mommy's face. 가자. 냐! And mommy finished building it first. Mommy hasn't finished building it yet. They love to play with these little things. One, don't eat it. To secure it, like so. I'm not going to open these holes, but you can. But Mila likes to hide in here when the boys are like crazy like that. So it's her little safe spot. So it's better not to have any more access points that she can get hurt from or be scared. Ah, look at my little baby girl. You like a new elephant? You like a new elephant? Yes, you do. How you like it? That's all. Ta-da! No. Go play over there. Stop. What's it? 안 돼. Mommy just bought it. Don't break it yet. Push. Hold one. This one has been with us for a couple of years. Like, as you can see, it's been hit, it's been scratched, it's been torn, like, see, I have more holes on the sides, the back door, more holes. Maybe you can like grab it like this, but like, it had a good life. And Mila really likes the elephant, don't you? Because it has a small entrance, so she feels safe in there because the boys are crazy. No? She likes her elephants. 세상님. Which one do you like more, the old one or the new one? Please pick the new one, because that one's really old. Come on, 세상님. Mila. Because it has your smell in it, doesn't it? Look at the colors. This one is so like pale now. I didn't realize it was that old. Do you want to move to the new one? Mira, you have a new house.